turn your engine off. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Unscrew each of the 4 screws which close the airbox. Don't worry if they don't come off completely once unscrewed. There is nothing unusual about this. Unscrew the metal hose clamps which hold the inlet hose on the airbox. Pull out the airflow connector, then push on the plastic tab on the terminal and pull it at the same time. Then remove the inlet hose. Using a T20 Torx screw head, remove the holding screw on the pressure sensor and push it to the side. Unclip the airbox and lift it slightly. This will then allow you to open it. You will then be able to access the filter to remove it. Take off the bushings on the airbox which often remain on the metal studs and put them back in the right place on the airbox. This will make reassembly easier. Put the new air filter back in place. Close the airbox and put it back in place. Then clip it in. Screw the pressure sensor back in. Put the inlet hoses back and tighten the hose clamp. Reconnect the flow meter terminal. Then rescrew the 4 screws on the airbox. Operation completed.